Okay, sir. The installation is done. You may now watch in peace.
Thank you.
I make a move first, sir.
Okay, see you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ooh, new TV! Yeah! I can watch my favorite Reno tube from Renopedia. Wow, this Ling Zai so stupid, so funny, but handsome like me
Oh, baby, new TV So want to watch it.
Hey, hello. You know I watching halfway, right? Hey, baby
Hey, I'm watching halfway.
I also watching halfway. Hey, let me finish the show lah.
Oi, no.
What no lah?
No.
Give me back.
No.
Give me back lah.
I want to
I
watch.
won't let me watch
No.
finish lah.
Give me back.
Wait. This TV, right, I get from Renopedia.sg one.
Then?
It's an online renovation platform for homeowners to find inspiration, tips, ideas, and solutions. And you can find interior design over there. Once you sign out, right, you got free home insurance, free quote, and product voucher kit.
Then what? What you got to do with this new TV?
Just now I mentioned, you sign up Renopedia got free product voucher kit, what? So I use the voucher kit go and buy this TV lah. Then discount up to 60%, what?
No! Let me watch one.
Hey!
No!
I want to watch. I also don't understand.
No! Give me back!
See, poor guy. I just delivered the TV like 1 hour ago. That's more already. Delivery fee very expensive, you know.
And when can you finish repair the TV?
Don't know lah. I just delivery man only. Service you know I do one.
Renopedia have over 50 product merchants for you to choose from. Hurry! Sign up with Renopedia to get free home or travel insurance, e-magazine, voucher kit, and many more.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.